Hey guys, and welcome to Minikun Tutorials. Today in my PC review series, we'll be reviewing the HP MV7-CH1056NF. Okay, so and it's right here in front of us. As you can see, it's a very powerful PC, and I managed to get it to review for you. So let's start. Before we open it, before we actually explore this formidable gift, let's try to appreciate first of all what it is. Okay, so this actually is 17.3 inches screen PC. Okay, that's a size 17.3 inches, and it's actually a Windows 11 PC, so it comes with Windows 11 already installed. And the processor is actually an Intel Core i7. Okay, and with regards to the hard drive, it has 1 terabyte SSD storage. So it's actually SSD 1 terabyte storage capacity, and it also comes with a thumbprint. Okay, so meaning in case you want to use it for office work, in case, let's assume your client wants you to, just for data protection or data privacy sake, you have this fingerprint. It's not just like the ordinary laptop without fingerprint. And most importantly, depending on where you buy it, you have like 2 years guarantee. And for instance, where I actually bought it from a French electronics market called Boulanger. So at Boulanger, for instance, you would get you have the choice to buy, let's say, Norton antivirus, and that is something separate. I don't need to even talk about that because it has nothing to do with HP. But usually when you buy it with Norton antivirus, they would give you additional 1 year guarantee, making what, 2 years, 3 years then. So you have 3 years guarantee. Depending on wherever you buy it, it depends on wherever the shop. If you are buying it from HP shop directly, it may be different. So I don't need to really emphasize on that. But most importantly, you have, like I said, let me take it again. So we're talking about a 17.3 inches PC here, which is very cool, for gaming. You have a very wide, not very, very large, but medium size and large, relatively large screen for gaming. Okay, and the processor is actually Intel, so Core i7, Windows 11 already installed, and then the hard drive, like I said, is 1 terabyte SSD. And then we're talking about a graphic card. Okay, it has a very, very powerful graphic card, especially for gaming. So for those of you who like gaming, this is going to be very, very helpful. You'll have very, very good graphics and you'll enjoy your games. So imagine such a PC, very, very it's also very, very thin. It's not very, like, it's just like almost like a notebook, but a little bit wide. So to me, it's just perfect for gaming, for office work, and even for video editing, because you are talking about a hard drive of 16 gig. Okay, and the speed of the CPU speed is 2.9 gigahertz. And what else can I say? It comes with Bluetooth, and yeah, I think this is what I can say for now. We will get to discover the rest when I open the PC. Okay, so what else did I wanted to say? I said it comes with Bluetooth, and yeah, the graphic card I didn't mention it. It's a very powerful graphic card. You are talking about NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphic card. So this is very wonderful PC. The images will be very, very clean, and it will be very, very good for gaming, as well as for office use. With regards to the weight, it's not very heavy. I've actually forgot to look at the details about the weight, And in terms of repairability, it's actually scored 6 on 10. Not bad. So it's a very powerful machine, and when you get it, all you have to do is to make sure you take good care of it. And it goes for 1,200 euros here in France. So, and I think it will be relatively the same everywhere. And so this is part of the HP Envy series. And let's open and see what it is. It's a very good laptop. So let me just turn the box this way. So if I should turn it and turn it and turn it, there we go. And then I've opened it halfway just to make things easier for us. Since I'm not even having a camera stand. Please buy a camera for me. I'm holding a camera in one hand, and then the PC also in one hand, as you can see. So I just open the box, and this is how it is, you know. Actually, so anyway, let's quickly so over here we have some cardboards just to protect it, to make sure it doesn't shake. And over here I think we have the charger, you know. So we have the charger. It doesn't come with so many accessories. I think we only have the charger. Let me see what it is. So this is the charger. This must be the charger, right? Anyway, so let me see. Okay, we have the charger right here. I don't know whether it's a USB-C charger. Let's verify that quickly. No, it's not a USB-C charger. It's just normal charger, you know. So this is how it is. Let's put the charger aside. And then what else can I? Okay. We have this. Okay, let's still part. This is the charger. Let's leave the charger aside. Okay. This is my second video in my review series. I'm improving gradually, all to get me a camera so I can make. Okay, here we go. And right inside we have the manuals here. So we have the manuals here, as you can see. Let's see what this is. It a gift card or whatever? Let me see. I'm sorry, since it's bought in France, so in France everything is in French. But as you can see, 2 years guarantee, and it's suitable for what, home and office. Okay. All right. For the rest, we're gonna read that later on. This is the manual here. It doesn't really come with a lot of papers, just a few documents. This is the manual right here. Anyway, you don't need to read the manual to be able to use this PC. So without much ado, let me see whether I can try opening it while it's still here in the box. Or maybe I think I should put the box aside and try opening it. So anyway, it's falling back into the box. It doesn't want to come out, but we're gonna bring it out. Don't mind me. We'll bring it out. It doesn't want to be used, but we must bring it out. Don't worry. So let's simply put the box aside. I think that would be the best way. So let me put the box aside, and then I'll bring PC here. Okay. So like I said, it's 17.3 inches, so it's quite a big PC. And so to open it, I need to just peel it off. Peel it a little bit so that I can bring it out of its whatever, this plastic material. Okay, I just try to open this way so I can bring it out of its plastic. I'm so sorry that I'm doing everything with, I don't have somebody to hold the camera for me, but anyway, I know this is not going to be your favorite review, but I'm going to improve, don't worry. It's just the beginning. Anyway, instead of, let me just put the camera aside and then bring it up. Alright, so I just took it out of the plastic, as you can see, and this is how it is. So let me open it gently. And let's start to admire our wonderful PC. Yeah. So this is how it is. Very powerful piece. After opening it, we have this covering the keypad. So I just lift it off, and there we go. So like I said, as you can see, it's actually what Intel Core i7, and it comes with NVIDIA graphic card. Very good for gaming. And as you can see over here, we have the fingerprint, or the thumbprint is over here, as you can see. So the power button is where is the power button? Okay, the power button is over here. As you can see, the keyboard is actually AZERTY, so it's French keyboard. It's not QWERTY. So since it's bought in France, and then let's see what it has got in terms of USB ports and all of that. So let's start from the left side and come to the right. So to the left, what do we really have here? We have USB, normal USB port, USB-C, and then your combo, whatever, for your headset, and then we have what your battery indicator, then HDMI for projection, and all of that. And to the right, let's see what we have. We've got, I think, additional USB, your charger, where you have to plug your charger, and then SD card. So basically, I'm surprised. I don't know why HP doesn't provide. I don't want to say generalized, because this is the only HP laptop that I'm reviewing so far. Apart from my old PC that was HP Pavilion 17 i3. This is an old PC, but we're talking about i7 today, and I was wondering why it doesn't come with Ethernet slot or something. So, but this is how it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any other thing to share, or any comments about this in the comment section. Bye.